saw something on the Essential Depot website that was so exciting, so exciting and absolutely fabtabulous, and I couldn't help it. I just got to stick a little tidbit on here and tell you about it. So I wrote me a few little notes. I've got them hiding, you can't see them, and I've called in my daughter to help me, and I gave you the website and I said, read about this, get all the details right. We got to share this because it's so what?
It's very important. So
and it's fantastic, right?
It's fantastic.
It's absolutely fantastic. Awesome. So, and it's such an awesome deal, and we're going to have so much fun. So I thought to myself, you know, I just got married. Wouldn't it be awesome to go to this event? It's over in Atlanta. And have all my friends soapers come and us have fun together and fellowship with each other at the guild, because the handcrafted soap and cosmetic guild conference is happening, and Essential Depot is there as a vendor, and so they're having a party, and they're going to invite their lifetime member of the Greener Life Club to come at a absolutely unreasonably cheap price, and they're going to be providing all kinds of fun. So like we can get our cocktails and our tapas, and we can fellowship with each other at the Georgia Aquarium, and there's lots of fun things that I want to tell you about it. But the first thing I want to do is I want to show you exactly how to go in and purchase this and where you click to read about it and to see about it, in case you would like to catch in on this bargain, because March the 31st, Essential Depot's 10-year anniversary comes up, and that's when they're no longer gonna offer the option of people becoming a lifetime member of the Greener Life Club. So if you want to be a lifetime member and get, what's the percentage?
30% off.
30% off your orders for the rest of your life, we've got to do it now.
Yep.
And that's why I said, I got to throw this clip in right now. So here's the little clip that tells you or shows you exactly where to go. Okay, so what you do is you go to Essential Depot. That's www.essentialdepot.com. All right, and you click on this little banner right here that says last chance for lifetime savings. So this is it. March the 31st, 2018 is your last shot to get in on this. So you click on the banner, and then you scroll down and you click on the banner again, and boom, you can add this to your cart. So you add that to your cart. That's how you start. If you've gotten lost in the page in the process of adding that to your cart, you can always click on the logo. But otherwise, you can also click on the right here in the gray banner section. And this is the two things that caught my attention when I got onto the page today. It says Greener Life Club HSCG Show Cocktail Party. So I clicked on that, and here it is. This is some of the wonderful things that you get as a Greener Life Club member. The Greener Life Club logo stickers. You can get a whole sheet of 48 for 48 cents. And they also says here that see Greener Life Club promo codes, giveaways, $5 per month, cancel anytime. So you can do this by the monthly fee, you can do this by the yearly fee, but this is the last month that you will ever get to do this for a yearly lifetime fee. It's not yearly, it's just lifetime. It's just it. That's it. We don't get. And so here is some of the things. You can get the tote bag, but look what they've added. Ooh. I know. And look, it's only $80. So you can add that to cart right now if you're just one single individual that's going. But otherwise, click on the link. And look what I found. We have you can come and visit, but you have to be a lifetime member to get this little treat. And that's one of the wonderful assets about being a lifetime member, is you're going to be one of the first to be invited to any Essential Depot event. And once this is over, you can't do it again. So you can get one person for how much?
$80.
And 2 people are?
$70 each.
And the third, if you get 3 people?
$60.
And 4?
$50.
All time, I can't believe it, $50 a person. So if you and your family wanted to come, or you and some fellow soapers, and you could get 4, you could get this whole thing for $50 each. All right, so right here, you can add however many individuals you need to your cart. And if you have not already added the lifetime membership to your cart, you can click here to add the lifetime membership to your cart. It doesn't take you to another page. It just directly adds it to your cart. And so this right here, so let us tell them about it. What do you think?
Okay.
All right, so that's where you go to get it. Mm-hmm. But now let's talk about what we're going to get. So March 31st, Essential Depot will end the ability to become a lifetime member of the Greener Life Club. So now they're going to have their $5 membership still out there a month. They're going to have their $50 a year membership still out there. And what kind of percentage do you get?
20% off.
20% off of all orders, plus all kinds of fun free things, like we got shea butter,
a drying rack.
A drying rack for free, and they're fixing to have the stackable mold baskets coming up for free. And plus they have Tamra, who once you become a lifetime member or a Greener Life Club member in some one of the different tiers, then we have Tamra, and Tamra is a full-time social media consultant who you can send her an email, and she will call you after you have registered your products onto the website, and she will put your products out on Facebook
and Instagram.
And she will make sure, and the hit goes to your sale page, like Ipsy or your Facebook page or your personal website. And so we have Tamra, and nobody else has Tamra but us Greener Life Club members. All right, and then we, as a lifetime member, what do we get as a percentage?
We get 30% off.
We get 30% off for life. It's something you just don't want to miss out on. I just felt like it was so important when I saw what was coming up to let everybody out there know this is your opportunity. Don't let it get past you. So, and yes, we're paying for this yearly membership, but they're giving us so much. I mean, besides Tamra, we're getting 30% off. We have our, let's see, I wrote some notes. We'll be the first invited to Essential Depot events. And once you register as a lifetime member and you go in and you post some of your products on the webpage, what do? Do you remember?
I do. They buy at least $50 worth of your products.
And guess what they're going to do with them? Tell us, Bridget.
They're going to have it on the table there at the exhibitors.
Yes, at the exhibitors table. They're at the Handcrafted Soap and Cosmetic Guild conference. They're going to have your products displayed, and then they're going to take them to the Georgia Aquarium, which we're going to tell you more about, and have them exhibited there. So that's $50 right there that you're going to make off of your lifetime membership. Plus, we're going to have tons of fun. Okay. And all you have to do is once you post your products on their webpage, then you reply to the email where you get your confirmation that you paid for your lifetime membership, and boom, they're going to go find your products and start to work for you. And you know, that's what Essential Depot's all about. They're all about working really hard for you. It's like the little Greener Life labels. you know, there's times coming possibly where we may have a lot stronger regulations, but I know because I'm a Greener Life Club member that I'm going to be informed and educated on what's happening by Essential Depot, because they make that their mission to take care of us and to keep us educated, and they're going a step ahead all the time, and they're preparing for what might be coming and helping us to stay
compliant.
And soapers that are able to work out of our homes and be able to share our skills and our craft with our local customers, friends, and family, and beyond to online sales. All right, so now, how much does this cost per person?
So for one person, it is $80 total. That's staying there, going to the aquarium. That's it. It's $80.
And
for two people, it gets a little cheaper. It's $70
each.
And then for three people, it's $60 each. And then for four people, it's $50 each.
So, like, if you and I went and we closed the store, and you got to go too, and I took you because I'm a Greener Life Club member, lifetime member. So that means I can bring 3 other people with me that doesn't have to be lifetime members.
I get to go.
You get to go, girlfriend.
I never get to go.
We're gonna leave the hubbands at home and the kids at home, and we're gonna go to Atlanta, and we're gonna have us some fun.
Oh yeah.
Woo! High five.
High five.
All right. So only $140 for me and her to go, and we're gonna get to go to the Hilton. You need to be there at 3 o'clock. Drop your bags in that room, honey, and get yourself back down there, because then we are going to take a leisurely stroll through Centennial Park over to the
Westin Hotel, where the exhibitor stations are.
And that is for the handcrafted Soap and Cosmetic Guild conference that's going on. But we're going to have private access to the exhibitors, and you and I are going to walk around and enjoy some me time while we enjoy the exhibitors, and while we look at some free samples and maybe pick out a few things to take home to our soapery. And there's going to be some exhibitors. Now, I know that Essential Depot is going to be there. I know that the Sage is going to be there. That's where I buy my preservative. So we got to go by there, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then I know that there's going to be a shrink wrap there. But
National Shrink Wrap.
Yes, but scroll up. There's just tons of them. There is going to be so much education and so much product there and so much fun to be had that we've got to go together. So you've got to come with me, guys. So then after we do that, we've got, now that is going to happen, I think, from 4 to 6:30 p.m. That's right. That we can enjoy the exhibitors. Then we're going to walk our 10-minute walk back through Centennial Park to the Georgia Aquarium, and we are going to get registered in if you haven't already, and you're going to get your, is it tapas or is it tapas?
It's tapas.
Is it tapas?
Yes, it's tapas.
Okay, we're going to get our fancy tapas. I bet there won't be a toothpick to be had. That's fancy finger food, isn't it, Bridget?
Yep. No little feet though. There won't be no toothpicks available, I'm sure.
So we're going to have our tapas. Did I get it right?
Nope, tapas.
Tapas? Are you sure it isn't tapas?
Nope, it's not tapas.
Okay.
It's got an A. T-A.
Okay, so it's tapas. Okay, so we're going to get our tapas, and we're going to get our cocktails, and we're going to walk around in the convention center. No. We're going to walk around the Georgia
Aquarium.
Let me
see all the fish.
Yes, let me show you this really fun little clip of a video that was taken by Essential Depot in the aquarium to just let you get an idea of what we're going to get to enjoy. Oh, don't you just love those? Oh, I love penguins. That's what Henry calls them, is penguins. Penguins?
Yeah.
And look, he's playing with this. Is that a starfish?
Yeah, it was a starfish.
I wouldn't want to play with that.
No, thank you.
But we'll watch it through the glass, won't we?
Yes.
That looks like some kind of whale.
I think so.
I think that is a very massive whale.
Yep. We'll find out what kind of whale it is when we go there.
Yes. Wow. Look at that.
Oh,
Beauty.
Is that a seahorse?
I think it was.
I love seahorses. Oh, that's a dolphin.
Oh, I love dolphins. Mm-hmm. Do you think that's where we'll get our cocktails and our, what was it, tapas?
Yeah. Oh, you mean those fancy finger foods?
Yeah. It's them fancy finger foods. That's what country girls call them, fancy finger foods.
I didn't see no toothpicks, though.
No, the fancy finger foods don't have toothpicks. Oh, look at that. Wow.
It's a sea turtle.
I have always wanted to see one of those. I mean, you see them in the movies, you know. I have always wanted to see one of those.
I wonder if they know how old it is. They live a long, long time. Ooh, that's a stingray.
I don't mind looking at it, but I'm not going to get too close. Wow. Look at that. Look what we're going to get to see.
No, it's going to be so much awesome.
And everybody can come and see it with me.
Uh-huh. And me.
Yes. This is so exciting. Oh, people have... Oh, I bet a lot of people want to come meet Brigitte.
Mm-hmm. She's been keeping me hid. I hadn't got to go no shows or nothing.
The time has come.
Yeah.
It's affordable, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's completely affordable. And it's drivable. We are going to have so much fun. Wasn't that awesome?
It really was.
I really enjoyed that video. And I can't wait to see the Georgia Aquarium in person. And what's going to be even better is getting to see the Georgia Aquarium in person with you guys. And Brigitte is so going to enjoy getting to meet all y'all guys. We're going to have so much fun. We're going to be cruising around with 1,000 other soap makers and professionals like, you know, Dr. Kevin Dunn, the master of soap making chemistry. Mm-hmm. And for the Greener Life Club members, Essential Depot is going to be giving away 10 $400 gift certificates of their products.